Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Fiber to Fabric. Actually, some part of this lesson you already have learned in class 6th. Okay, students? And the topic name also was same, fiber to fabric. But in 6th standard you just learn about the plants fiber. Okay, now today in this lesson we are going to learn about the animals fiber. Okay, students, now before starting the lesson, okay, I will just take some part of our previous class, what we have learned. So in previous class already we have learned about the fibers, yarn and fabrics. So when fibers comes together form yarn and yarn makes fabric. Okay, so this is the process. Now what is mean by fiber? So fiber is a long thin strands which are used to make yarn. Okay, then what are the types of fibers? Actually there are two types of fibers, students. First one, natural fibers, and second one, synthetic fibers. Now what is mean by natural fibers? So natural fibers means fibers obtained from natural source like plants and animals are called natural fibers. Second thing, examples. So what are the examples of natural fibers? So examples of natural fibers are cotton, jute, again yes, cotton, jute, wool, yes, very good, silk. These are the examples of natural fibers. One more you can add, flax also. Okay, so these are the examples of natural fibers. Now in natural fibers, okay, some fibers we are getting from plants, some fibers we are getting from animal source. So on the basis of this, the natural fibers are further divided into two groups. Can you see? Natural fibers are divided into two groups again. First one is plant fibers and second one is animal fibers. Natural fibers divided into two subgroups. First one is plant fibers, second one is animals fiber. Now what is meant by plant fibers? Fibers obtained from plant source are called plant fibers. Examples, cotton, jute, flax, these are the examples of plant fibers. Very good, students. Okay, now what about the animal fibers? Very simple definition, fibers obtained from animal source. Fibers obtained from animals, okay, are called animal fibers. Okay, now examples, wool and silk, these are the examples of animal fibers. Okay, now second type of fibers, okay, synthetic fibers. Now what is meant by synthetic fibers? Now synthetic fiber is also called man-made fibers or the chemical fibers, okay, or artificial fibers. So these fibers are made with the help of chemicals in industry, okay, are called synthetic fibers. Means these fibers are made with the help of chemicals. Okay, students, now examples of synthetic fibers are nylon, polyester, orlon. These examples are of synthetic fibers. Okay, students, clear now? So this is the some part we revised. Okay, So fibers and types of fibers. Okay, now in 7th standard we are going to learn about the animal fibers. So there are two types of animal fibers we are going to learn. First one is wool and second one is about the silk. So first we will see about the wool. So we are going to learn about the wool. Okay students, so what is wool? Okay students, so wool is what? So wool is a fiber obtained from animals. This is the one kind of fiber. Okay, wool is what? Wool is a one kind of fiber obtained from animals such as sheep, goat, yak, lamb. Okay, so these are the animals. So from these animals we get the wool. Okay, then wool is a fiber obtained from the fleece of animals. Now what is meant by fleece, students? So fleece means thick covering of wool on sheep's body. Thick covering, thick hairy, fleece is also called hair. Okay, so thick hairs or covering of wool on a sheep's body. Okay, that is called the fleece. So wool is a fiber obtained from the fleece of these animals. Now these animals means yak, sheep, goat, okay, and lamb. Now why these animals have thick hair? Okay, why these animals have thick coating of hair on their body? So this is the question, students. So answer is, see students, mostly these animals are found in cold region where the temperature is too much cold. So to protect from coldness or to protect from the surrounding, these animals bear the thick coating of hair, and this thick coating of hair traps the air and keeps the body of animal warm. Okay, so this is the importance of that hair. Means here trap the air. Okay, here whatever these hairs are there, they trap the air. Okay, because air is the poor conductor of heat. Trap the air and keeps the body of animal hot. Okay, is it clear, students? Now next, how this wool is made up of? So this wool is made up of proteins. Sometimes the question may come in NSO exam, students. Okay, so you can mention. Okay, so wool is made up of dash. So you may get the options like carbohydrates, protein, fats. Okay, so the correct answer is proteins. Okay, wool is made up of proteins. And the different types of wool we get nowadays, like white color, brown color, gray color. Okay students, now types of fleece, students. Okay, now types of fleece means types of hair. Okay, so like human body, okay, like human body, the hairy skin of sheep has two types of fleece. Okay, like human body, the hairy skin of sheep has two types of hair, okay, or fleece on their body. So what are they? So they are, first one, fine soft under hair close to the skin. These are the fine soft hair. First type is what? Fine soft hair present close to the skin, and second, the coarse beard hair. So these are the two types of fleece. First one is fine soft and second one is the coarse beard. Okay, now find out of these two fleece, fine soft hair produce the fiber for making wool. Okay, out of these two fleece, which fleece is used to get the fibers? So fine soft here produce fiber for making wool. So for getting this wool, okay, some sheep bear the soft hair. To get this kind of wool, the sheep are selected. Okay, so sheep are selected. So that is called the selective breeding. Now selective breeding is what? Breeding is means multiplying. Okay, so selectively breeding. So some species are selected to get the good quality of yield. For example, see here, if we want suppose a good quality of wool, okay, so directly we cannot get the wool from all the species of goat or sheep. Yes, so there are few species of sheep, okay, few species of sheep are there that provides the good quality of wool. Okay, so only that selected species, if you grow, if you breed, so you can get the offsprings with the same quality, okay, offsprings which has the same quality of wool. Yes, so that process is called the selectively breeding. For example, the process in which parents are selectively chosen in order to obtain the certain special features in their offspring. Now what is the certain special feature here? So special feature is soft fine wool. अगर हमें सॉफ्ट फाइन वूल चाहिए तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे सेलेक्ट करने पड़ेंगे कि जिनमें वो क्वालिटी है. कौन सी क्वालिटी? सॉफ्ट फाइन हेयर की. अगर आप ऐसे पेरेंट्स सेलेक्ट करते हो और ऐसे पेरेंट्स सेलेक्ट करते हो तो जो भी उनकी नस्ल होंगी, जो भी उनके बेबीज होंगे, उन बेबीज में भी वैसे ही कैरेक्टर्स हमें मिलेंगे जो कि हमने सेलेक्ट किए थे. कौन से सेलेक्ट किए थे कैरेक्टर? गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ वूल, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फाइन वूल. तो जो भी उनके बच्चे प्रोड्यूस होंगे वो बच्चों में भी वही क्वालिटी का वूल हमें मिलेगा. दैट मेथड इज कॉल्ड द selective breeding. So selective breeding is what? The process in which the parents are selectively chosen in order to obtain their offsprings with the same features. Okay, okay students, so understood here. So this is today's part. We have finished. In next video we will see the remaining part of this lesson.